Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lokesh Kaushik. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how can you make your photos transparent. In simple words, how can you remove the background from all your photos effectively? Now you may have already used a tool called Magic Eraser tool in Photoshop, but it doesn't work all the times because especially when there are so many objects in the background. So today I'm going to share with you a simple method that you can use in Photoshop and apply in your images to make them transparent. So let's get started. As you can see, this photo in front of us got a yellow color background, and we want to keep this subject obviously, and this background is only one color, so we can really easily remove it using Magic Eraser tool. So let's select this Magic Eraser tool and then click any part of the photo. The background is removed. Awesome. But it doesn't work most of the times, especially when there are so many things in the background, or like this video, in this photo the background color matches with the color of the t-shirt and the white socks this subject is wearing, and we want to keep this subject. But if I use this Magic Eraser tool, it's going to remove that part from the subject that we want to keep. So as an example, let's try using this tool. So once I do it, as you can see, this part is removed and some part of this socks is also removed, and that's not something we wanted to do, right? So let's do Command Z or Control Z to go back. And now instead of using this Magic Eraser tool, let's go on the top under select, let's do select and mask. So once you are back in here, go on the top, you can see that the transparency is set to 50%. Now the reason is that, so if we select something in the photo, it will be highlighted and it will be a lot easier for us to see what part of the photo we want to keep and what for part we don't want to keep. On the left hand panel, this brush is selected. On the top we have plus and minus. Now the plus means the part of in the photo that we want to keep, and minus something to remove from the selection, and then the size of the brush that we selected. So let's zoom in and let's select the subject. You will clearly see the difference in why we have selected 50% opacity. So once I go, so let me change the size of the brush to 10. Let's go. You can clearly see what we have selected and what isn't. That's why I said set the transparency to 50%. So let me finish this remaining area. You selected arms, the other arm. Let's zoom in. Some part of the t-shirt is left. It's done. Looks good. Let's zoom in. Double check. Yep, it's perfect. Now what if I selected something else that we don't want to select? Then we can use this minus part to subtract it from the photo. Now once you're happy with the selection you made, and let's do if one thing is to smooth this photo, set it to number 10 and then press OK. You can see the whole part, the background is removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and do share it with others. If you really enjoyed, do consider clicking the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Have a good one.